The drone world has just received a major shakeup with the official reveal of the DJI Neo2, a drone that transforms the idea of what a compact, beginner-friendly UAV can achieve. Previously dismissed as a lightweight, budget-oriented machine for casual users, the Neo2 has evolved into a genuinely powerful, pocket-sized creative device. Already generating buzz as one of the potential sleeper hits of 2025, this drone represents DJI's boldest statement yet, combining power, portability, and affordability in a single, versatile package. After months of leaks, FCC filings, blurry prototype sightings, and rampant speculation, the Neo2 is now official, and it promises to redefine what creators expect from a small drone. The DJI Neo2 demonstrates that capturing cinematic aerial footage no longer requires an expensive, cumbersome rig. For drone enthusiasts, the excitement begins with one of the most critical upgrades: battery life. The Neo2 now incorporates an 11.6 Wh dual-cell battery, an upgrade from the previous Neo's 10.4 Wh unit. While this may seem like a minor improvement on paper, any pilot knows that even a few extra minutes in the air can mean the difference between missing a key shot and capturing a perfect moment. Though DJI has not confirmed official flight times, insiders suggest that this increase could push the Neo2 past the 20-minute mark under ideal conditions. This may not sound monumental to some, but in practical terms, it allows for longer sweeping shots, cinematic tracking sequences, and extended vlogging sessions without the constant interruption of battery swaps. Beyond endurance, DJI has completely reworked the vision, positioning, and obstacle detection system. While the original Neo was often treated as a selfie drone with limited awareness and cautious performance, the Neo2 brings a level of precision and confidence that feels more like a miniature commander than a toy. Its enhanced sensors allow it to detect obstacles faster, weave through tighter spaces, and avoid sudden collisions with trees, posts, or buildings that often surprise less advanced drones. For beginners, this improvement is significant. First-time pilots often struggle with spatial awareness, and the Neo2's upgraded system reduces anxiety, enabling users to focus on creative flying rather than worrying about crashes. At the heart of the DJI Neo2 is its camera system, arguably the feature that determines its utility for creators. While DJI has kept some technical details under wraps, leaks suggest a 1/3-inch CMOS sensor with dual ISO support, which would mark a considerable improvement over its predecessor. A larger sensor enables more light capture, richer color fidelity, and superior low-light performance, crucial for capturing cityscapes at night or delicate sunrise landscapes without excessive noise. Pair this sensor with potential 4K recording at 60 frames per second, 10-bit DLOG color profiles, and advanced subject tracking, and the Neo2 emerges as a serious filmmaking tool rather than a casual travel drone. It's designed to serve vloggers, YouTubers, and even professional creators seeking a reliable, compact aerial solution. One of the Neo2's most notable achievements is its balance of portability and professionalism. This is a drone that literally fits in a backpack but delivers results that rival far larger, more expensive systems. It's ideal for travel bloggers, influencers, content creators, and hobbyists. There's no complex setup. Simply take it out, power up, and start shooting. In terms of pricing, the Neo2 is expected to arrive at under $350, making it accessible for students, entry-level pilots, and professionals seeking a capable secondary drone. To put that into perspective, the original Neo launched at $289, already one of DJI's most affordable drones. The Neo2, with its improved camera, smarter sensors, and better battery, continues this tradition, showing that advanced aerial technology can be made accessible without a four-figure price tag. Timing is also a strong advantage for DJI. Pre-orders for the Neo2 are set to open in mid-August 2025, with shipments beginning in early September, perfectly aligned with autumn travel, golden hour landscapes, and seasonal content creation. DJI will offer the drone in two packages: the standard kit, including the drone, battery, controller, and essentials, and the Fly More combo, which adds extra batteries, a charging hub, and additional propellers. For serious creators, the Fly More combo is often a wise investment, as it ensures extended flight sessions without interruption and provides spare components for reliability in the field. Adding to the Neo2's allure, rumors suggest that DJI may launch a compact FPV headset alongside the drone. Unlike the bulkier professional FPV systems, this headset would be lightweight, user-friendly, and designed for casual users, offering a first-person view of flight without a steep learning curve. Imagine slipping on a small headset and experiencing flight as if you were inside the drone's cockpit. Such a feature could elevate the Neo2 beyond a camera drone, transforming it into an accessible gateway to immersive FPV flying and bringing cinematic experiences closer to beginners. The Neo2 is not just an incremental update. It represents a paradigm shift in small drone capabilities. By merging thoughtful design, enhanced intelligence, and a creator-focused camera, DJI is challenging the notion that capturing professional-quality aerial footage requires large, expensive drones. Lightweight, capable, and affordable, the Neo2 opens the door for a wide range of users, from hobbyists capturing everyday adventures to professionals seeking a reliable secondary drone. It offers creative freedom without financial strain and is engineered to deliver both fun and functional performance in a single, compact package. In terms of flight dynamics, the Neo2 benefits from refined stability and obstacle avoidance algorithms. Pilots can weave through urban landscapes or natural scenery with confidence, avoiding crashes that often intimidate new users. This feature, combined with its upgraded battery and sensor systems, allows creators to focus on framing shots and storytelling rather than technical execution. Furthermore, DJI's commitment to keeping the Neo2 compact means it's perfectly suited for travel and spontaneous shooting scenarios. Unlike larger drones that require cases, cumbersome setup, or significant weight, the Neo2 is designed for immediate deployment, which encourages experimentation and fosters creativity. The camera's versatility is another standout. With potential 4K/60 FPS capture and DLOG color profiles, creators can achieve cinematic quality footage for social media, vlogs, or independent films. The sensor's dual ISO support improves low-light performance, which is often a weak point in compact drones, allowing for nighttime and early morning shoots without significant noise. Assisted subject tracking adds another layer of professionalism, ensuring that moving subjects, whether people, pets, or vehicles, remain in sharp focus. In short, the Neo2 is a tiny drone that doesn't compromise on creative capabilities. Affordability is a key component of the Neo2's appeal. DJI is positioning it below $350, ensuring that students, beginner pilots, and semi-professional creators can access advanced drone technology without breaking the bank. By keeping pricing competitive while significantly improving performance, DJI reinforces its mission of democratizing aerial storytelling. The Neo2 embodies a philosophy that drone technology should not be exclusive to those who can afford top-tier systems, but instead accessible to anyone eager to explore new creative perspectives. The DJI Neo2 is more than just a drone. It's a compact, powerful, and versatile creative tool that brings high-end aerial photography and videography to everyone. Its balance of affordability, portability, and professional-grade features makes it a true game-changer, expanding the horizons of what small drones can achieve. Whether you're capturing everyday adventures, professional content, or immersive FPV experiences, the Neo2 provides the tools and confidence needed to tell your story from the sky, making it arguably the most exciting compact drone release of the year.